Rishi Sunak is a well-known British politician. He was born on May 12, 1980, in Southampton, a city on the south coast of England. His parents were immigrants from India. They moved to the UK to build a better life. His father was a doctor, and his mother owned a pharmacy. From a young age, Rishi was very smart and worked hard in school. Rishi went to a good school called Winchester College. After finishing school, he went to Oxford University. There, he studied philosophy, politics, and economics, PPE, a popular course for people who want to become politicians. After Oxford, Rishi continued his studies in the United States. He went to Stanford University in California to get a Master of Business Administration, MBA, degree. While at Stanford, Rishi met Aksata Murthy. Aksata is the daughter of N.R. Narayana Murthy, a famous businessman from India who started a big technology company called Infosys. Aksata's mother, Sudha Murthy, is also well known. She is an author and a philanthropist. Rishi and Aksata liked each other very much, and in August 2009, they got married. They have 2 daughters. Their first daughter was born in 2011, and their second daughter was born in 2013. Before entering politics, Rishi worked in business. He worked for big companies in the UK and the US. He was very good at his job and learned a lot about how businesses work. This experience helped him when he later became a politician. Rishi decided to enter politics to help his country. He joined the Conservative Party, one of the major political parties in the UK. In 2015, he became a Member of Parliament, MP, for a place called Richmond in North Yorkshire. The people in Richmond liked Rishi and voted for him because they believed he could make their lives better. Rishi worked hard as an MP and quickly became popular in his party. In February 2020, he was chosen to be the Chancellor of the Exchequer. The Chancellor is a very important job in the UK government. The Chancellor is responsible for the country's money, including taxes and spending. Rishi became Chancellor just before the COVID-19 pandemic started. This was a very difficult time for everyone. Many people lost their jobs, and businesses struggled. As Chancellor, Rishi had to make many tough decisions. He introduced a plan called the furlough scheme. This plan helped people who could not work because of the pandemic. The government paid part of their wages so they could still have money to live on. This was a big help to many families. Rishi also helped businesses by giving them loans and grants. This money helped businesses survive during the lockdowns. Many people thanked Rishi for his hard work and support during this tough time. In October 2022, Rishi Sunak became the leader of the Conservative Party. This was a big achievement. Because the Conservative Party was the ruling party at the time, Rishi also became the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. As Prime Minister, Rishi had many responsibilities. He had to make decisions about health, education, the economy, and many other things. As Prime Minister, Rishi worked hard to make the UK a better place. He focused on improving the economy, creating jobs, and making sure everyone had access to good healthcare and education. Rishi also worked on strengthening the UK's relationships with other countries. In 2024, there was a general election in the UK. This is when people vote to choose their MPs and the next government. The election was very competitive. Unfortunately for Rishi, the Conservative Party did not win enough seats to stay in power. This meant that Rishi was no longer Prime Minister. However, he continued to serve as the leader of the opposition. This is a very important role in the UK government. The leader of the opposition helps to check the government's work and suggest better ways to do things. Even though Rishi is very busy with his work, he always makes time for his family. He and Aksata live with their 2 daughters. They enjoy spending time together, whether it is watching movies, going for walks, or traveling. Rishi often talks about how important his family is to him. Rishi Sunak believes in hard work, honesty, and helping others. He thinks it is important to listen to people and understand their problems. This is why he decided to become a politician. He wants to make a difference in people's lives and help them achieve their dreams. Rishi Sunak's story is inspiring. He came from a family of immigrants, worked hard, and became one of the most important people in the UK. His journey shows that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. Rishi's work as Chancellor and Prime Minister has had a lasting impact on the UK. Many people remember him as a leader who cared about their well-being and did his best to help them during difficult times. Rishi Sunak's life is a testament to the power of education, hard work, and dedication. From his early days in Southampton to his time at Oxford and Stanford, and finally to his roles as Chancellor and Prime Minister, Rishi has always aimed to serve and support his country. His story is a reminder that no matter where you come from, you can achieve great things if you are willing to work for them. For many young people, Rishi's story is a source of inspiration. He shows that it is possible to balance a successful career with a happy family life. He also demonstrates the importance of staying true to your values and beliefs. Whether in business or politics, Rishi Sunak has always strived to make a positive difference in the world. His legacy will continue to inspire future generations to work hard, help others, and never give up on their dreams.